The 7-inch digital display has all the essentials to complete your tasks at hand when behind the wheel. Accessing the settings section allows the operator to customize the display. Selections are made by scrolling to the desired setting and pressing Select to change the setting. Press Back Cancel to return to the previous menu. A few settings that are available for customization include date and time, units and language, and other features depending on truck configuration. When a view is shown, its position in the view sequence is shown on the right. Use the Select button to access the different options. When the parking brake is released, the display will show useful driving information, minimizing the currently selected view and removing its label. A gauge view presents the standard and optional virtual gauges monitoring your truck systems. 2 single or 2 compound gauges can be shown per view. Each view is ranked by importance: primary, secondary, and additional gauges. Vehicles with the custom gauge option provide a view which can contain up to 4 operator-selected gauges. If the custom view has not been configured, the operator can use the custom view setup. Scroll and select the desired gauges, then press Save Configuration. If equipped, the Adaptive Cruise View contains optional features designed to improve the driving experience. In this view, details about both adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning are shown. This truck may be equipped with a power takeoff. PTO operation is enabled by using the dash-mounted PTO switch in conjunction with cruise control. These advanced menu options provide customization while maximizing the operator experience.